Hello, everyone. I'm Bob Ward, a principal architect from Microsoft. Can you believe SQLBits is here again? I'm excited to be back at SQLBits in 2024, along with other experts from Microsoft and the community. And I'm here today to tell you about a new and exciting opportunity at SQLBits for you to learn SQL Server in the cloud. So what I plan to deliver as part of the training days is a workshop called the Cloud Workshop for the SQL Professional. So is this workshop for you? Well, ask yourself a couple of questions. Do you know SQL Server? Or are you thinking about or working with SQL in the cloud? So what's really in this workshop? What's it all about? Well, first of all, it's about translating your existing SQL Server skills to Azure SQL. We'll do fundamentals to make sure you get all the basics, but we'll go deep when necessary. And we will cover Azure SQL in virtual machines, managed instances, and databases. This is not a fluff course. This is not a marketing course. I'm not trying to sell you Azure. I'm trying to teach you the cloud. And I'm going to do it in a very immersive, interactive, hands-on experience with labs. And guess what? There is no Azure subscription required. We'll provide it for you. You're going to learn from Microsoft experts, including myself and other people from the Microsoft team. But here's what I love, and people have told me already about this. You get to learn from others. You get to share with others your experiences learning the cloud together. And then finally, if you're thinking about preparing for exams like the DP300 exam, I believe the content in this workshop will do a great job to help you prepare for that. Now, we've taught this course one time already before at the Past Data Community Summit last November 2023. And you can see a quote from the positive experience of attendees of that workshop. What you see in front of you is the agenda, a very power-packed day combining fundamentals with deep dives into all the Azure SQL technologies. And we'll be sure to update with all the latest innovations, including technologies like AI, into this experience. You can see here on the agenda as well, all the opportunities for hands-on experiences. So I hope to see you at SQLBits 2024 for our training day, the Cloud Workshop for the SQL Professional. Use the URL you see on this screen right here to sign up. I look forward to seeing you at SQLBits 2024.